In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Mafia, the old country, to activate cheats like ultimate health, money, and other helpful gameplay booster. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the exe and select yes option. Just close tab here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open this trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite health, infinite ammo, no reload, super damage, one hit kill. Infinite ammo is the one we gonna test. As you can see, there is infinite ammos, no reload. You can shoot like this. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.